How to write a Verzorgenede IG Verslag that passes first time. Are you a Verzorgenede IG student in the Netherlands struggling to write your verslag? Or maybe your report was rejected, or you are not sure what teachers actually expect from you. In this video, I will show you how to structure your Verzorgenede IG Verslag step by step so it passes the first time. Welcome to my Student Help, where we help MBO students, HBO students, and nursing students succeed in the Dutch education system. If you are currently doing your Verzorgenede IG opleiding or stage, you probably know that writing a verslag can be confusing, tiring, and overwhelming. Many students fail not because they don't understand the care they provide, but because they don't know how to structure their report properly. Today, I am going to show you the 6 essential parts of a strong Verzorgenede IG Verslag. Number 1. Start with the client situation. The first section of your verslag should describe the client situation. Here you explain who the client is, their health condition, their care needs, the care setting. For example, the client is an 82-year-old woman living in a nursing home who requires assistance with personal hygiene due to limited mobility. But don't forget, never write the full name of your client. If your client name starts with R, just say, my client R, 82 years old woman, and so forth. Number 2, state the zorg doel. In Netherlands, we say, what is your doel? The care goal. The next step is to clearly explain the zorg doel, which means the care goal. The zorg doel answers the question, what was the purpose of the care you provided? For example, the goal of the care interventions was to support the client in maintaining personal hygiene and preventing skin infection. A good zorg doel should be clear, specific, and linked to the client's plan. Remember, zorg plan. Number 3, explain the zorg handling. Intervention. Wat heb je gedaan? The care intervention. This section is where you describe the actual care you provided. You explain what you did, how you did it, and why you did it. For example, I assisted the client with washing and dressing while ensuring privacy and comfort. I encouraged the client to participate in the process as much as possible to promote independence. Important tip, always use professional nursing language, not casual language. Instead of saying, I helped the client to wash, say, I assisted the client with personal hygiene while promoting independence. And now we are over to number 4, observation. After describing the care intervention, you must explain your observations. Wat heb je gezien? Teachers want to see that you are observing the client carefully during care. You can include things like client reactions, physical condition, emotional state, changes in health. For example, during the care intervention, the client appeared comfortable, cooperative, no signs of skin irritations were observed. Observations shows that you are thinking like a healthcare professional. Number 5, the evaluation. The evaluation section explains whether the care goal was achieved or not. Ask yourself, did the care help the client? What I did, what I applied, the interventions I applied, did it help? So for example, the care intervention was successful as the client was able to maintain personal hygiene and express satisfaction with the assistance provided. Teachers want to see that you can evaluate your own nursing action. And then we are over to number 6, that is reflection. Reflectie in Nederland. This is a section where many students lose marks. Reflection means explaining what went well, what you learned, what you would do differently the next time. For example, this experience helped me understand the importance of encouraging client independence during personal care. In the future, I would continue to involve the client more actively in the care process. Reflection shows that you are developing a healthcare professional. Common mistakes students make. One big mistake students make is writing their verslag, of writing your report like a story instead of a professional report. Always remember, your verslag should be structured, professional, reflective. Think like a clear professional, not just a student completing an assignment. So if you are a Verzorgenede IG MBO or a nursing student in the Netherlands and you're struggling to write your assignment, your verslag, MBO, HBO, or your research report or scriptsheet, my Student Help is here to guide you. We help students with verslag writing, research report, nursing assignment, exam preparation. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos that will help you succeed in your nursing studies. And if this video has helped you, comment below with verslag so I know you watched it till the end. Until next time, we remain my Student Help.nl.